Those breaking news that is coming in at this point, and the war between Kangana Ranaut and the Maharashtra government, where the Bombay High Court has sought to know from where the BMC and how it entered the premises when the owner was not present. That's a very crucial point that the Bombay High Court has raised, asking how did the BMC go ahead and enter the premises when the owner of the property was not present. Let me once again go back to my colleague Disha for further updates on this. Disha, as pointed out for you before, this is going to be extremely crucial, and we'll have to wait for the kind of affidavit that the BMC also puts it. But the biggest question that the Bombay High Court has raised as to how the BMC entered the premises when the owner was not physically present at that property.
Well, that's right, and Bombay High Court really has said this, observing several instances. First, of course, it was on Monday when the BMC or local ward officers had reached the office premises. It was a surprise visit by them. They inspected the office site for at least 2 to 3 hours. At that point in time, Kangana Ranaut was not here in Mumbai. She was there at her hometown in Manali. So that was, of course, one of the instances which was observed by the Bombay High Court, that without the owner being present, how can a civic body enter the premises and inspect things around? So that was, of course, first observation. Secondly, of course, yesterday when the BMC wanted to put up first notice, they wanted to actually get inside and give it to the staff members, but the staff members denied to accept it, and that is why they had to put it up on the main door, main gate of the office premises. And thirdly, today, without the owner being present, how can the BMC go ahead and demolish the illegal portions of the premises? So that, of course, to that, now the Bombay High Court has sought a response from the BMC as to how did they enter the premises when the owner was not present. So that is, of course, a crucial observation made by the Bombay High Court. And now the BMC has been asked to file an affidavit to it, give a response to it. And it will be very crucial and important to know here tomorrow, when the matter is heard again at about 3 p.m., that what response BMC has given to this in the affidavit.
And that's right, Pranesh, right now.
All right, Disha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates there. So clearly the Bombay High Court wrapping up the BMC for the kind of decision it has taken to raise down a part of the office of Kangana Ranaut. Meanwhile, remember, the Bombay High Court has put a stay order on the Mumbai Civic Body's demolition of parts of Kangana's office in Mumbai. The High Court has asked the BMC to file an affidavit and has posted the matter for hearing tomorrow. Now this, remember, after the Civic Body raised the alleged illegal portion of the actor's office in Mumbai. The demolition took place after the BMC first rejected Kangana's 7-day request to respond to its notice. Right after that, the BMC cited that the reply that was filed by the actor was unsatisfactory, and then later proceeded to demolish even as Kangana's staff protested this entire move.